Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Discovery to Miracles Beneath the Surface. All the honor and all the glory and praise goes to our Heavenly Father in Yeshua's name. Beautiful soul family. There has been something that I saw, and I guess it's probably 15 years plus, but it's always been something that I had in the back of my head. Now, there was an event where Pope Benedict he had did a speech, and the speech was about internet can promote the search for truth. Mind you, I'm gonna do just a portion of it. Here is just a minute and 12 seconds, but for some reason this came back to mind. It's just so interesting how Pope Benedict is talking about how the internet can bring forth truth. Beautiful soul family. There was more things going on, however, and I'm not going to say exactly what it is. Can you find out what it is? Can you discern what it is that I am looking at? Beautiful soul family. As they want you to look in one direction, will your discernment look in the other? Until the next message, have a beautiful and wonderful day, and may Yahweh continue to bless you with His love, His peace,